In this video, we'll demonstrate how to permanently delete your X account. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to delete your X account, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into the guide. Open the X app on your mobile device. This method works across different types of phones and can also be done using a computer. Navigate to your account settings. On the mobile app, swipe across and scroll to the bottom to expand Settings and Support. On a computer, click on the More button on the left of X, tap on Settings and Support, and then choose your account. Look for the option Deactivate your account. Tap on it. X will display a message informing you about the deactivation process. It mentions that your display name, profile, and other information will no longer be viewable. To proceed, tap on Deactivate or a similar action button. Enter your account password when prompted. Finally, tap on Yes, Deactivate to confirm the deletion of your account. Remember, after deactivation, X allows a 30-day window to restore your account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated. After this period, your account will be permanently deleted. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.